show you how to make a basic vertical label using the LW-PX350. Let's start by turning the printer on. Now the vertical option can be found in the Style menu, which is here on the keyboard, and it's in blue, so we're going to use the blue Shift key to access it. Use your arrows to go to vertical and press return. Now you can simply toggle the feature on or off. I'm going to use the arrow to toggle it on and press return. And once you've made that change, we're going to scroll down to End ? And save it. When you're on End, go ahead and press return. Press return again to make the entire label vertical. All right, now simply enter in your text, and when you're ready, push print. Well, that was easy. Now something to keep in mind is this feature will toggle off if you use the Shift Delete. Otherwise, you can certainly go back into the menu to turn it on or off as you need. If you have questions on the LW-PX350 or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling!